Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Update iOS and make sure you're signed into iCloud so Apple Pay can sync. Once done, gather your new card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Those details speed verification. Now open Wallet or go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap the card you want to change. Don't wait. This first actionable step opens the card menu where you can view verification options, remove the card, or choose to add an updated version. Now perform the core update. If the card supports in-place updates, tap Update and follow prompts. Otherwise, remove the old card to avoid duplicate tokens, then tap the plus sign to add a new card. Use the camera to capture numbers or enter them manually, then complete issuer verification, usually a text, email, or bank app code. Once verified, make sure you set the card as your default if desired and sync it to your Apple Watch through the Watch app, so payments work across devices. Finish by confirming the card is functional. Make a small contactless purchase or view the card status in Wallet to ensure authorization succeeded. If verification fails, don't panic. Restart your device, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular, and retry entering details. Often a simple refresh resolves token requests. If problems persist, contact your bank to confirm the card supports Apple Pay and to reissue a digital token. That single bank call usually clears remaining barriers and gets you back to tap to pay quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.